So hi guys, my name is Ayush and in this lecture or in this playlist series, we will be solving all the problems of this HDLBits. It's a wonderful website for one who is preparing for placements for semiconductors and all. Yeah, there are good number of problems here related to Verilog. Yeah. So we will be solving all the problems and I'll give you the video explanation of all those problems and I'll provide you the code and the GitHub link for all these solutions. And let's get started. So this first will learn what is this HDL thing. What do you mean by HDL? So HDL is nothing just HDL is just an hardware description language. Let's say it is used to define. Let's say you have to design and you have to design and let this is you have a two input and one output thing. So you have to design an AND gate. This is the truth table for AND gate, and now you have to design a hardware out of it. So how you will design it? So you have to write a code. So to design those things. So for this, you require an Verilog HDL language named Verilog. Cool thing is it was developed in India only by some Goel, not me. I am different. My name is Ayush Goel and I am from my hometown is Kanpur and college is in Hyderabad and I am a student of IITH. Okay, so first of all we will discuss what types of these things. What do you mean by simulation? So simulation is nothing. Let's say you have designed uh, this thing, AND gate you have designed, and you have to verify that you will write some code. You will write the code for AND gate, and then you will write some test bench to verify this, and then you will simulate it that whether it is giving the input correctly or not. ठीक है? Input correctly or not. So you to verify that this behavior, whatever you are giving here in A, B, and Y, that behavior is correctly you are getting when you have designed that circuit. You have designed that circuit. After that, you are getting the required behavior or not. Is You will do this by simulating that. We will do all those simulations. So in that process, there are some errors also. First is called compile error. Compile error generally occurs due to syntax error. Let's say you are writing my name Ayush, but you wrote Ayush. You missed something. Why? Or it can be syntax or it can be logical error. You have to design AND gate, but you wrote uh, design the logic for an XOR gate or some other gate or OR gate you designed. So this is the incorrect logic. So you will discover some error that is called logic error and syntax you will that thing. So when you will finally मतलब when you will finally compile that thing na you will get the compile error. ठीक है? And you let's say your syntax is correct. Your syntax is correct. You have designed something, but when you see that thing, let's say you are designing an AND gate, but you wrote some code and that code is correct and code is generating NAND gate. not AND gate. So it means that it is simulation error, because you have to design the behavior of this circuit. You have to get the required behavior when you the final output when you get na, this should be the behavior, but you are not getting. You are getting this thing. You are getting this thing. So it is correctly the mismatch of what we want and what we are getting. So that is called simulation error. So this is the first problem uh, which we will solve. Okay. So this is the first problem. It is called so module is nothing. I will tell you what is module. Module is like a big box. Okay. You will design something. i- Inputs. It consists of input. This is output. Okay. And this, whatever the circuit you are designing here, it consists of many gates or many transistors. Some other expression should be there, but it all consists of one big box. That box is called module, which correctly defines your inputs and whatever the required output you want. Okay, that is called a module thing. So here it is saying that we have to assign one. We have to design something which have the output should drive logic high. Matlab output should be one only. Output should be one only. Means logic high. Means 5 volt. Okay. So how we will do that? We will just I will we will just here write 1 P 0. Ah. So here you have to think that semicolon should be always there when you are writing those things. If you have learned C programming, the syntax is almost the same. So we'll simulate those things and let's check. So yeah, the output should be 1. The required output. What we have done, we have assigned. We have used the assign statement to assign logic 1. Logic 1, how we have written? It's 1 bit 0. 1 bit 1. Like binary 1 we have taken. 0 or 0. Let's say we have written this thing. Binary, we have written 1 bit. This stands for 1 bit. It means 1 bit and B 0. We are representing bit 0 in 1 bit. Let's say 2b1 or 2 bit 0, it was there na, it means 2 bit of 0 0, 2 bit of 1 1, like that. So my logic is we have assigned 0 and we want logic 1, so it's a incorrect thing we have done. So here we will again do this right thing. So hope you understand.